everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing the MDX Concepts rodent spray. I already removed it from the envelope, so it came in this plastic. We'll pretty much just take that out, attach the nozzle. It says child and pet safe, prevents and eliminates all kinds of rodents. It says it has a peppermint scent, home care plus outdoor. It's supposed to repel all sorts of rodents, which is really great. It's 100% natural product. Definitely can't wait to use this. Yeah, we've definitely been having a rodent problem in the kitchen, so can't wait. Peppermint oil, sodium lauryl sulfate, spearmint oil, cinnamon oil are the active ingredients in this. And it says shake well before use, spray in areas where rodents are found or may hide, spray in cabinets, sinks, or any closed spaces, and repeat if necessary. It says repels instantly, which I really like. Definitely can't wait to use this product. Yeah, so basically shake and attach nozzle and spray in the areas, which is definitely what I'm going to do, and I will let you know how that goes. Yes, the top part has a off and spray and stream, so you just go ahead and turn that to whichever. I like how I can put it on off and then nothing comes out. So thank you so much for watching. I will let you know how everything goes, and I will see you next one.